Your car's braking system is one of its critical safety components. But what if it starts failing without you realizing it? In this video, we'll discuss 8 warning signs of a failing brake master cylinder and what you should do to stay safe. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. Number 1. A spongy or soft brake pedal feels mushy and lacks firmness when pressed. Instead of providing immediate resistance, the pedal may sink gradually or require more effort to engage the brakes effectively. This can make braking feel unpredictable and less responsive, increasing stopping distances and making it harder to control the vehicle safely. The issue may worsen over time, leading to a situation where the pedal eventually reaches the floor without fully engaging the brakes. Number 2. Brake fluid leaks. You may notice brake fluid pooling under the vehicle, typically near the firewall or beneath the master cylinder. The fluid may also appear around the brake booster or inside the engine bay. A drop in the brake fluid reservoir level can indicate a leak, which may lead to reduced braking efficiency and increased stopping distance. The brake pedal might also feel soft or spongy due to the loss of hydraulic pressure. Number 3. Contaminated brake fluid. When brake fluid becomes contaminated, it can change color, turning dark brown or black instead of its usual clear or light amber appearance. This contamination can reduce the fluid's effectiveness, leading to poor braking performance, increased stopping distances, or a spongy brake pedal. Contaminated fluid can also cause internal brake components to wear out faster, potentially leading to costly repairs. Regular brake fluid checks and timely replacements help maintain optimal braking efficiency. Number 4. The brake warning light on your dashboard illuminates to alert you to a potential issue within the braking system. It may appear as a red or yellow symbol, often depicting an exclamation mark inside a circle or the word brake. This light can turn on while driving or remain illuminated after starting the vehicle. Depending on the car model, it may also be accompanied by an ABS warning light if the system detects a related issue. If the brake warning light stays on, it is essential to inspect the braking system immediately for safety reasons. Number 5. Inconsistent braking performance. If your brakes feel strong one moment and weak the next, you may be dealing with inconsistent braking performance. This can make it difficult to predict how much pressure is needed to stop the vehicle, increasing the risk of accidents. Uneven braking can also make driving stressful, especially in emergency situations where reliable stopping power is crucial. If you notice fluctuating brake responsiveness, it's time to get your system inspected. Number 6. Brake sticking or dragging. When this happens, the wheels do not release fully after you take your foot off the brake pedal. You may notice increased resistance while driving, reduced fuel efficiency, or excessive heat coming from the wheels. In severe cases, the vehicle may feel like it's slowing down on its own or pulling to one side. Over time, this can lead to premature brake wear and possible damage to other braking components. Number 7. Unusual brake pedal behavior. The brake pedal may feel different from its normal operation, making it harder to control braking. You might notice that the pedal is overly stiff, requiring excessive force to engage the brakes. In some cases, the pedal may become unresponsive, failing to return to its original position after being pressed. This irregular behavior can make braking unpredictable, leading to delayed or inconsistent stopping power. Additionally, the pedal may engage too high or too low, disrupting the usual feel of the braking system and making it difficult to gauge the necessary pressure for safe stopping. Number 8. No brakes or complete brake failure. A total brake failure is one of the most dangerous situations a driver can face. When this happens, pressing the brake pedal produces little to no response, leaving the vehicle unable to slow down or stop. This can occur suddenly or worsen gradually, depending on the severity of the issue. In such cases, the vehicle may continue moving even when the driver attempts to apply the brakes. This significantly increases the risk of accidents, especially in traffic, downhill roads, or emergency situations where stopping power is crucial. If you experience a loss of braking, it's important to stay calm and take immediate action. Pumping the brake pedal may help regain some pressure if there is still fluid in the system. Downshifting to a lower gear and using the handbrake, parking brake, can also help slow the vehicle down. If safe to do so, steering towards an open area or using barriers like curbs or guardrails to reduce speed may be necessary in extreme cases. Because complete brake failure poses a severe safety risk, it is critical to inspect the braking system at the first sign of trouble and seek professional repairs immediately. Your brakes are your car's most vital safety feature. If you notice any of these warning signs, don't wait, have your braking system checked by a professional. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips.